1964 Chevrolet C10 regular cab short box Stepside here at Unique Specialty and Classics. A little street rod feel to it underneath the hood. 327 V8 power that's paired up with an automatic transmission. AC blows cold, serpentine belt system. We'll pop the hood here in a bit, start it up, let you hear it run. But first, let's take a look at chrome on the bumper. Chrome on the grille. You can see more of a modern headlight has been installed. Turquoise in color. Still pictures. They can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. It's riding on new American Racing polished wheels. Good looking wheel. Radial tires. You can see emblems were not reinstalled, so we're going to leave that up to the next owner, how they would like to dress this truck up with the emblems on there. Let's take a look down this passenger side. See, paint has a nice shine to it. It's not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. I did notice there's a couple on the doors, a couple spots where it's been touched up. May swing and catch on this front portion a little bit, but other than that, not notice anything major. Wood bed, stainless, trim in there also. Has black bucket seats, center console, and we're going to open up that driver's door and, like I said, start it up, take a little closer look in there. Chrome in the rear bumper looking good, and those still pictures, they can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. A few notes from the technician on this one. I did mention stereo in op. It's an older AM/FM cassette player. New upper left ball joint was installed. New American Racing wheels and tires, mentioned that. Brakes are 80% in the front, 60% in the rear. New steering column has been installed. Let's take a look down this driver's side. And again, free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Some chrome has been added on the step part of that box. And again, kind of a spot, same area on the driver's door over here. And then once again, emblems left off can be reinstalled. Which ones the new owner chooses, so we're going to leave that up to them. Be a fun truck for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. All right, let's take a little closer look at this interior. So power windows, door panels look nice. Carpeting obviously redone. Here's your bucket seats, kind of a vinyl, kind of like a suede, vinyl suede combination is the feel that it has. Maybe a simulated suede. There's cup holder, center console. So this is a nice setup, tilt column, and it appears a more modern dash was installed in this one. Vintage AC controls. Sun visor above the driver. Look at the headliner. Let's fire this up. Again, 327 V8. It's actually a HM suffix code. And going off of the casting number and the HM suffix code, that's how you can confirm 327 V8 power. Tack, I do not believe was working. Otherwise, it appears fuel gauge came up, oil pressure, voltmeter. Not sure on temp. That was a cold start, so. And there, like I mentioned, does have a little older AM/FM cassette player in it. That can always be updated by the new owner. Dash looks good. Close that door, didn't push that very hard. Just go ahead and slip around to the back. Let you listen. right, let me slip up to the front. Let's get this hood open, check out the engine bay, and then stick around to the very end of this video. Jason's going to take it for a drive too. Show you how it goes down the road, take you for a virtual ride, if you will. All right, so I have the hood unlatched, which reminded me I did want to show you one little spot up here in the hood. You can kind of see the paint. There's a little crack to it, a little bit of a stain. Just wanted to point that out. There's the underside. And engine bay, aluminum radiator. Looks like a Champion brand, electric fan. There's that serpentine belt system I mentioned. 327. AC's cold, heat's hot, heater hose is still hooked up. Battery disconnect when it's in storage or in between drives. Running pretty smooth underneath there. 1964 Chevrolet C10, regular cab, Stepside short box, a little street rod feel to it. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1964 Chevrolet C10 in a beautiful teal color. This is an automatic on the column, so it's easy to drive. The AC's blowing cold in this truck. You gotta love that. For all the comfort you need in the summertime. And a great summer color on this truck. Speedometer is reading high, but it is working. The oil pressure is 50 pounds. The fuel gauge is reading a quarter of a tank. The volts are a little over 14, and that's where they should be. And we do have some play in the steering wheel. The temperature is showing a little over 140, and it's still rising. Tachometer is not working. That's on the far left. There is a clock built in on the right side. Air by Vintage Air. A very reliable, good working system. We have cup holders and a center console that appears custom built. Looks very good. Matches the interior. Bucket seats with cloth on the inside and vinyl on the outer edges. Door panels are matching that as well, and the headliner also. A very good looking truck. Brakes are working well. Smooth brakes. Corners nicely. It's a smooth running truck. Turn signal indicators are working. Make sure to check out all the pictures of this 64 Chevrolet C10 at uniqueclassiccars.com.